Hello, dear Libra. Welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Namaste. I hope you all are doing great. And before we start with the reading for the month of August 2020, I request you all to please subscribe my channel. Please do like and share. Thank you so much for doing that. And now we start with the reading for the month of August 2020. So, Libra, what are the cards saying for you this month? some power some powerful cards this time, and the first card is what I got is eight of cups. Okay, so the card actually no, the where I am seeing you, um, though you have made you have all the possibilities, or you feel that you I'm sorry, let me rephrase this again. Probably, this is the time for a change. This is the time where you want to change your lifestyle, or where you want to bring some where you want to change your perspective towards your life. uh, you know where you want to shift your energies, or where you want to uh, leave the unfulfilling job which you are serving all these days. So you want to take a break from your career or from the relationships also. Now you want to come up with a new perspective, and probably you just want to take a break and think about it. What can it be done? How can you deal with it properly? This is what a type of change that you want to get into it, and you first want to relax before bringing that change. You first want to you just want to move away from the situation from this month, and think about it from the external perspective, from not being with the part of it, but from the another perspective. And that's in fact a good thing. Let me see what the second card says here. Okay, so we have the second card, which is Page of Cups. So this Page of Cups is actually giving you bringing some kind of positivity in your life, in your relationships mostly. And this is where I'm finding some newness, or the Page of Cup is a messenger. So kind of good news coming to your way after you have went through all this understanding about yourself, about the new perspectives and all. So probably then you will be able to the you the life may be giving you a new perspective, or some new things coming up in your life, which again will bring positivity, and which is good for your future. Or in case if you are looking for some kind of good news related to your job increment also, or it in with regard to relationship as well, right? And I have your third card. This is the world. Okay, like you are seeing, this is the breath surrounded here, and it's in it's just completely it's surrounding a woman, a lady there. And so this card actually says, so let me make some more sense about these three cards. So I feel there is the end. There is now you have achieved some particular objective. You have now achieved your aim, or some perspective of your life. This is this has come to an end now, because everything is a cycle. Something that we begin will end, and then some new beginning comes up. So probably this is where you have achieved something, and this is, or probably this month is something where you feel you get this opportunity of thinking that yes, you have achieved something, you have made your goal, you have reached your goal. Okay, so this is where I am seeing, and after this, what now? Probably after this, you are looking for new perspectives. You are moving away from the situation and looking for new perspectives. Okay, so this is what how it is making sense to me. And now you don't want to just just keep enjoying with this situation. Ki, yes, I have done this, achieved all these things in my life and all, but you still want to, you are not happy, and you want to prioritize your happiness over your financial status, or over your materialistic goals. You want to, you feel now you have realized that yes, the inner happiness, inner peace is more important to me. So this is that kind of a move here. And this is actually then probably, that then probably this card brings you that news. Okay, this is the path, or this is how you should move forward, or some kind of opportunity, some kind of person coming into your life and guiding you in that, or some kind of opportunity coming your way where you feel, yes, where you feel much satisfactory. Okay, so this is what it makes me sense this way. Let me see your energy card also. Okay, here is your energy card, and this is it's talking about patience. Yeah. So there is an angel and which is holding a clock here, and this angel is saying ki have patience. So probably you are, when you are in a thinking mode, or when you are looking from a, when you have moved out of when you have moved yourself away from the situation, probably you need to have some patience. Don't rush up, have some patience, take some more time, think about it in a much better way. Probably because this is going to bring some good results for the future. Probably you will be able to make a better planning for the future, right? So or you may be able to look at the things from a bigger perspective. So this is what the angel is guiding us here. He have some patience, and you will be served with the required knowledge. You will be served with the required wisdom, which will help you in moving forward. Okay, dear Libra. So this is what you need to do. So just be patient and keep moving. With the directions that are, the universe is giving you. So have some patience, even if you feel that you are you feel that you may feel in a stagnation or something, where you don't file anything, where you are not really happy. Just calm down and think about it, and just have patience from this. Okay, and then I have your universal message from the universe again, and this is the card. I recognize that I have chosen fear. Hmm. So see, you have chosen fear. I recognize that I have chosen fear. Now, once you recognize what you want to choose, you of course want to choose love. So when I recognize this, I choose love, isn't it? So once you recognize, once you get this feeling from by being in the Eight of Cups stage, now you have to make your choices. Now you have to actually change your choices, and this time you are not choosing fear, you're choosing love, which will really enhance your life, isn't it? So something, sometimes when we are out of the situation, when we drag ourselves out of the situation, that will definitely help us in looking at the things from a bigger perspective, Libra. So this is a kind of month where I feel, yes, many things, you know it's actually a good thing, where you are getting something, where you are seeing something at a bigger level, a big picture of it. So, or no, where you have withdrawn yourself from the materialistic things, and you have prioritized your happiness, your peace. That's very important actually. Unless and until we are happy or we are at peace, we will not be able to achieve our goals fully. And even though we are doing it makes no sense if we are not happy with them, isn't it? So this kind of realization is what you're going to get, and you will be able to move forward with the same with this realization. Okay, all right then. I really wish you good luck, dear Libra, and I'll see you again in the next month. And meanwhile, if you are looking for some any further changes, or if you are looking for something else, some other kind of readings from me, then do let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to answer them. Okay, wish you good luck. Thank you. See you again. Bye bye.